So here we have a Bosch Athlet vacuum cleaner, 25.2 volt lithium power with the nice removable brush at the bottom. It's a brilliant machine, but the only problem is the charger doesn't seem to last very long, and the charger that you need isn't very clear on the outside. It tells you no voltage or anything, it just has this symbol here. So we know it's a 25.2 volt battery, but what charger do we need? So this is how to find out. So you remove the dust box and you find a sticker, and there it tells you 30 volt 500 milliamp. It's also got the model of your vacuum, which is the BCH65MGKGB, but the main part that you need from that sticker is 30 volt 500 milliamps. Hopefully you can see that there. So here at AC Adaptors R Us, we have our own replacement, which is here. 30 volt 500 milliamps with the correct connector on the end. So I will now show you it in action. So you'll see, as soon as we've plugged it in, the battery symbol starts to go 1, 2, 3, and it will continue to go 1, 2, 3 until the charge is enough for it to stay on 1, 2 or 3. So that's simply it. AC Adaptors R Us, we have got the correct charger that you need for your Bosch Athlet. As long as it's the 25.2 volt battery, then you need a 30 volt 500 milliamp adapter as shown. Thank you for watching.